Ever been in a quiet room and your stomach suddenly growls, loud enough for everyone to hear? Here's the science behind that sound. That rumbling noise is called Borborygmi. Your digestive system is always moving food, liquid, and gas through your intestines using rhythmic muscle contractions called peristalsis. When your stomach is empty, these contractions still happen, but with no food to muffle the sound, the movement of air and fluid echoes louder. Your brain also triggers stronger contractions when you're hungry, hoping to clear out the last bits and make room for more. So next time your stomach growls, remember, it's just your digestive system hard at work. Follow for more quick science facts you can share.